Hey, how you doing? Pat here. Well, welcome to Wednesday morning, July 5th, I think it is. I'm just creeping out of town, kind of getting the bike to warm up. It's a wonderful 43 degrees today. But that's okay. I expected this. Speaking of which, I need to get my grip heaters turned on because I got my middleweight gloves on for comfort. Let me get those turned on. And we are maxing them out. And I'm doing a whopping 35 mile per hour or 55 kph. Speed limit 70 right now. Just thought I'd say hi, how you doing? Oh, there's the speed limit sign. We're going to get up to 90. Woohoo! Yeah, 90 is about 55 miles per hour for United States people. Close enough anyway. All right, we're headed to we're headed to Smithers, which is, let me think, northwest of here, British Columbia, for the night. I found a really cheap motel. Hopefully they don't have bed bugs, because yeah, if I put it in the video or not, but I said yesterday these cold temperatures like this right now are a little bit colder than I want to camp in. If I have to, that's different, I will. I don't want to. I'm old, I'm a wuss, and my back hurts. And I'm fogging up. One super negative of this Mirai XD4 helmet. Anyway, you ever notice I say anyway too much? But, alright, let's go. I'll try to zoom in, but there goes the bear. First one of the trip. British Columbia, Canada. It is 6:02 local time. June, listen to me, July 5th, 9 o'clock Ohio time. Here I am on the outskirts of McBride on Route 16, and there's no fuel for the next 200 kilometers. Been on the road almost 3 hours this morning. There's the massive town of Prince Edwards. Looks like a huge rail hub, yard, whatever you want to call it. Check out that rail bridge. Just entered Vanderhoof, British Columbia, and according to the sign, it's the geographical center of the province. Interesting fact. Well, pretty uneventful day, not much really worth recording. We're just coming into the town of Smithers, where I'm going to spend the night, but looks like I made it back to the base of the Rockies. Well, top of the morning to you. Just getting ready to leave Smithers here. Heading to Dease Lake today. Got an interesting email from the lodge where I'm going to stay, warning of gas stations that have no fuel. So today I decided for the first time ever to fill up my fuel bladder. Put about 7 liters in it, so it's not quite full. It's supposed to hold 7.6. I shouldn't need it if everything goes normal, but you never know. Maybe I can help somebody else out. Okay, the email I got today had some bum information here at Petro Canada at the intersection of 16 and 37 on July 7th, I think it is today. Thursday, July 7th, 2023. They have gas and food, so I got a little of both. Now it's time to head up 37 north, which this is, let me see here. Skeena River, if I'm saying that correct. There we are, looking off to the east and the west. Somebody out fishing. Well, there's a black bear up there. He wins, by the way. Maybe that truck will scare him off. He did. I appreciate that. He actually swerved at him a little bit. Well, that was a welcome pit stop. It looks like a really cool place too if you want to stay at these cabins. Huh. Of course, we got a metal bridge up here. Bell too. They got gas, got diesel. Now granted, it's just regular fuel. They got a restaurant, things to eat and drink, and I forgot to clean my shade again, or shield again. Well, I'll be darned, it did turn to gravel. This is still Route 37. I don't know what it meant back there, but it said yield to oncoming traffic and barrier removed. I mean, so far the road's just as wide. Yeah, it's slipperier because it's gravel, but it's only been a short section here, not even half a mile. Okay, I found it. Pretty. And lots of people. Yeah, we're not going to hang out. Oh, you got a couple of seaplanes. Cool. All right, that was worth it. And the first person here so far today. I can get away with doing this here real quick. This is the lobby. They ask no shoes. And check out these stairs. Are they not cool? This is at Dease Lake, right on Highway 37. And since I'm the first one here, you have a little dining room. There's fans for the room. They do not have AC. And here's some of the rooms. Okay, there's no smoking on that balcony, but there is on the other one. Okay, that's cool. Hi, Mom. A little communal kitchen. And then the grand tour of my room. Yeah, sorry for the lighting. It's okay. I'll get over it. Hopefully you will too. And then a bathroom. There you have it. Well, how y'all doing? I am still on 37 North. I am headed to Whitehorse today in the Yukon. Today is Friday, July 7th. I've been on the road exactly 1 week and I've managed to log how many miles? I don't know, let's check. Right now I've logged 3,429 miles. I've averaged 44.3 miles per gallon. smell of the smoke is getting really heavy now. The haze isn't quite as bad, but boy, you can really smell it. Well, here we are getting ready to enter the Yukon, another new territory, or I should say Providence, sorry. We are now in the Yukon. Getting ready to get off Highway 37 and get onto the Alaskan Highway, Route 1. Okay, I'm officially on Highway 1, the Alaskan Highway. And we're going to go even slower, which makes it even worse. But here we come into good old downtown Whitehorse, the capital of the Yukon, I do believe is what the sign back there said. Neat.